Hi viewers! Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an aromatic and enlightening journey into the world of camphor, a powerful and versatile substance with a long history of medicinal uses. Known for its distinct and invigorating scent, camphor has been cherished in various cultures for centuries for its therapeutic properties. From aiding respiratory health and providing pain relief to its potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, camphor has rightfully earned its status as a natural medicinal marvel. In this captivating video, we will explore the medicinal uses of camphor, delving into its historical significance, chemical composition, and the scientific evidence supporting its diverse health benefits. Join us as we uncover the fragrant and healing secrets of camphor, a substance that not only captivates our senses but also nurtures our well-being. Let's embark on this aromatic adventure and embrace the ancient and medicinal world of camphor. Camphor, scientifically known as Cinnamomum camphora, with its invigorating and distinctive scent, is a powerful and versatile substance that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties. Derived from the wood of the camphor tree, Cinnamomum camphora, or synthesized from turpentine oil, camphor has a long history of use in various cultures around the world. From aiding respiratory health and providing pain relief to its potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, camphor has rightfully earned its status as a natural medicinal marvel. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the medicinal uses of camphor, exploring its historical significance, chemical composition, and the scientific evidence supporting its diverse health benefits. Join us as we uncover the fragrant and healing secrets of camphor, a substance that not only captivates our senses but also nurtures our well-being. Camphor has a rich history of medicinal use dating back thousands of years. It is believed to have originated in China, where it was used in traditional medicine practices. In ancient times, camphor was highly valued for its therapeutic properties and was used to treat various health conditions, including respiratory issues, pain, and skin ailments. In traditional Chinese medicine, camphor was used in herbal formulations to promote circulation, reduce pain, and alleviate muscle spasms. Camphor was also used in Ayurveda, the traditional medicine system of India, where it was considered an important ingredient in many remedies. Throughout history, camphor has been an essential component in traditional healing practices across different cultures. Today, camphor continues to be used in traditional medicine and is also incorporated into modern pharmaceutical products for its medicinal properties. Chemical composition. Before exploring the medicinal uses of camphor, let's first examine its chemical composition. Camphor is a white, crystalline substance with a strong aroma and a cooling sensation. The primary active compound in camphor is camphor oil, which contains several beneficial constituents. Camphor oil contains camphor, which is responsible for its characteristic scent and medicinal properties. Camphor also contains other compounds like pinene, cineol, and safrole, which contribute to its therapeutic effects. Camphor is highly volatile and evaporates easily, releasing its distinct aroma when exposed to air. Number 1. Respiratory health. One of the most well-known and researched medicinal uses of camphor is its ability to support respiratory health. When camphor is inhaled, it can help relieve congestion, ease breathing, and reduce symptoms of respiratory conditions like colds, coughs, and bronchitis. Camphor is often used in balms, chest rubs, and inhalants to provide relief from nasal congestion and promote clearer breathing. The cooling and soothing properties of camphor help alleviate inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it beneficial for respiratory discomfort. Number 2. Pain relief. Camphor is widely used for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in providing pain relief. When applied topically, Camphor can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle strains, and joint pain. Camphor-infused oils and ointments are commonly used in traditional medicine to massage sore muscles and joints. Camphor's ability to stimulate blood flow and increase circulation contributes to its pain-relieving effects. Number 3. Skin health. Camphor is used in various skincare products for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is effective in treating skin conditions like acne, eczema, and fungal infections. Camphor's cooling sensation provides relief from skin irritation and itching. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Camphor has demonstrated significant anti-inflammatory effects in preclinical studies. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it potentially beneficial for managing inflammatory conditions. Camphor's anti-inflammatory properties extend to conditions like arthritis, where it may provide relief from joint inflammation and pain. 5. Antimicrobial activity. Camphor possesses strong antimicrobial properties, making it effective against various bacteria and fungi. It is often used as an ingredient in topical ointments and balms to prevent infections and promote wound healing. Camphor has been used traditionally to disinfect wounds and prevent bacterial growth. Number 6. Headache relief. Camphor's cooling and soothing properties make it beneficial for headache relief. When applied topically, camphor-infused oils can help alleviate tension headaches and provide a calming effect. Inhaling camphor's aroma may also help reduce headache symptoms and promote relaxation. Number 7. Improving circulation. Camphor is known to stimulate blood circulation, which is essential for overall health. Improved blood circulation can benefit various bodily functions, including wound healing and organ health. Camphor, the fragrant medicinal marvel, offers a myriad of health benefits that have been cherished in traditional medicine practices for centuries. From aiding respiratory health and providing pain relief to its potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, camphor holds valuable therapeutic properties. As we embrace the invigorating scent and healing properties of camphor, let us also appreciate its historical significance and enduring reputation as a natural remedy. Whether used in traditional practices or modern pharmaceutical products, camphor serves as a reminder of nature's remarkable gifts in promoting optimal health and well-being. The journey into the medicinal wonders of camphor is a testament to the wisdom of ancient healing traditions and the continued exploration of natural remedies. As we continue to uncover the potential of this fragrant marvel, let us celebrate its contribution to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. May the aromatic allure and therapeutic benefits of camphor inspire us to incorporate this versatile substance into our lives for a healthier and more balanced existence. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.